Meaning of formlessness.
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 Formlessness. Formlessness is a state of being without a clear or defined shape or structure. It represents a lack of organization or coherence, resulting in a chaotic or disordered appearance. In art or design, formlessness can be utilized intentionally to create an abstract or fluid visual experience. However, in other contexts, formlessness may indicate a lack of purpose or direction, and can be seen as detrimental or negative. Whether positive or negative, the term formlessness refers to a lack of tangible or recognizable form.